Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Litecoin's price chart, and trust me, every single thing at the moment at least is going according to the bullish track. What? If you remember, the last time that we talked about LTC, we were right around, I believe, these areas, and the idea was that one scenario suggests maybe this is a WXY in form of a flat and a zigzag, possibly even a double zigzag, not really that important, and this scenario will get confirmed the moment that we get a strong move up, and in it we take this and especially this important high, and especially if our move up is going to be quite strong without a whole lot of overlapping of the waves, that's actually going to be a great sign suggesting on a higher degree we just had a simple correction structure into wave 4, and we're going to be on our way to have another big move into wave 5. And again, it seems like right now we are absolutely on the bullish track, and this is quite a big and a strong move on the upside, further confirming this count, suggesting our move up in LTC is simply not over yet. And by the way, on even some higher degrees, we are essentially having a series of 1-2s. This 5 wave up can be into a larger degree wave 3 correction for another move up into wave 5, and even that 5 wave is going to be into this wave 3 correction for 4, and so on and so forth. Now let's zoom in and see what is going on in the short. Okay, so what do you have? And first things first, which one of these is the lowest low? As you can see, yep, it is actually this one down here. And just to make sure, let's go on a better looking chart. Let's say from trading view, there we go. Yep, it is absolutely this low down here. So here's the situation. I do believe that we are having probably a wave 1 to about this point, followed by most likely an A, B, C in form of a flat into wave 2, and this can be a massive move up into wave 3, followed by a correction for 4, another move up into wave 5. And here's the thing, I believe at the moment we are having probably 1 2 1 2, another 1 and a 2, and then this is wave 3 4 5, and then into 4 into 5 into 4 into 5, in order to complete the sub waves for just this wave 3, and then we're going to get correction for 4, another move up into wave 5. The point that I'm trying to make is this: I think the current move up in LTC is probably going to continue for another 10% for the next, I don't know, let's say like 48 to 72 hours. Now, what is going to happen after that? I am actually counting on a short-term reaction from the higher band of that ranging area that we talked about before. Let's go back on our own chart. I think it was from Binance. There we go. So maybe it's best to go on like H4 time frame. Okay, as you can see, Litecoin for the past, let's say for the past 10 months has been basically in a ranging pattern, and right now it seems like that we are approaching to the higher band of this unbelievably important range, about, let's say, 135 to about $140. Now, why is this range so important? Because we have spent a good amount of time staying in it, and ranging patterns like this usually have a habit of leading to absolute explosions. So what is it that I'm trying to say? I'm trying to tell you, if in Litecoin we see a move up, and in that move we manage to finally get a break of this range, followed by a consolidation above the higher band of it, and then we get another move up in order to take this high, at that point you should probably expect our move up in LTC to accelerate quite a bit. But before we get into all that, I think number one, it is absolutely possible for us to, in this move on the upside in like very short term, reach to about the higher band of this region. And number two, most likely we are going to have right away some sort of a reaction from this level. I'm really hoping that this is going to be once more a correction structure, a very slow and choppy move down, further confirming that we are indeed on the verge of getting a big break of this range, which will once more lead to what? Yep, you guessed that right, some strong moves up in LTC. This, my friends, is absolutely why I am so bullish in LTC, and as long as I'm not proven otherwise, I am really going to stick with this count, suggesting our move up is simply not over yet. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Litecoin's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.